Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Matt
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. We're stealing little coin shop stock yet again.
This is becoming a common trend.
It is. We did it kind of as a bit of a one-off to fill in some gaps, and we seem to be, anytime their stuff comes through, we hive it off to the side for a little while until they go,
good fun.
Where's that stock we ordered? Oh, yeah, that's right, we've got to bring it down. So this is I actually think most of this is actually January release stuff that has just taken the Perth Mint a while to get to us. So, would you like to do the honours?
I would love to.
There's some really interesting stuff in this lot. One of the real pearlers in here is actually the Opal Tiger, which we will have a look at. But
You need to blow in the big surprise, Michael.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Actually, it doesn't matter. I think they're all sold out anyway.
They're all sold out. So that's actually what I was going to say, was have a look at it, but just be aware they are sold out pretty much everywhere. If you can find one, I strongly suggest you grab them because they're going well over $300 a piece now.
I've got a confession. I've never seen a film with that bloke in it.
Are you for real?
I'm for real. If you can see me, I'm for real. Is his work any good?
Are you kidding me?
I know he's a big deal, but you know,
Are you kidding?
there's a lot of people that are a big deal in their field, but they you know, it's an acquired taste.
Are you kidding me?
Is this going to be like a Star Wars fiasco all over again? And then you go home and do some homework?
You do know who John Wayne is, right?
He's a cowboy, right?
Yeah.
An actor.
Okay, I'll give you
He's
that.
like,
Please don't say Clint Eastwood.
yeah, he was a Clint Eastwood of his day, right?
Oh, good grief. We have to really up the IQ test on the old employment thing, don't we?
You keep working on that. I'll start on the next box because
I've insulted you enough. I think they've done a stunning job with this because
yes, I do like the
they've done the wood
yep.
in the holder, which I think's great. And then you've got your C of A, of course, and then the coin itself. Now we'll get some B-roll of this, so don't strain your eyes too much. Yes, stunning coin and great for. Actually, this would be a great one for Father's Day. There you go.
When was he? When was he?
When
hot?
was he? He still is.
Is he still around?
Actually, I can't tell you if he's fallen off the perch or not.
Yeah,
I'm sure he hasn't. But I might stand corrected on that one.
Well, you might, because I think if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if it's across the board, but generally both the Royal Australian Mint and Perth Mint will often not produce coins for living people. There you go.
Alrighty, so this is the newborn. These are great presents. I wouldn't call it an investment coin.
No, but they are really, really nice, and I think the sentimental component is very, very strong on something like this.
Yeah.
They also do a good job with giving you space. You'll see when you open it up, there's space to put in some of the information, like the birth information, which is really nice.
So it comes in almost like a book form.
But yeah, one of the few proof coins where you should actually take out a pen or a pencil and
Scribble on it.
scribble on it, because that's what it's there for.
So you can put, name, date of birth, where they were born, weight, all that sort of jazz on that side. And then a photo on this side, it's all set up. And then a bit of a family tree on the back. It's quite a cute coin. They do the same coin every year with the stalk in the background. But it's a great little coin. So if you've got someone born this year, it's not a bad one to get your fingers on.
Absolutely. Oh,
This is the mixed box.
I'm up. Mixed box.
Yeah, so this one's always exciting. You never know what you're going to pull out.
Alrighty.
See, they seem to be doing that to quite a lot of boxes these days, marking them as mixed.
I must say, I'm getting pretty handy with this blade.
I'm going to stay away from the blade coins.
mind your hand though. Oh yeah, this is a mixed box indeed.
More of that guy whose name you don't know.
Yeah. John Smith.
That's right.
Alright, so
They're all the same.
two.
they're all twos.
Alrighty, so
All right, why don't I move this to the side?
yep. Let's start with
Neck lighting.
what has already been a total washout.
Not a washout, a sellout.
Sellout, washout, whatever you want to call it. It's been incredibly popular, as it always is. This is, of course, the Opal Tiger. The Opal series by the Perth Mint. The whole Lunar series is always quite popular, but anything Opal in particular is incredibly popular. To my knowledge, already
sold
gone,
out.
so-
Already selling it at least twice the retail price. Last I checked on eBay, they were selling it in excess of $300 a pop. So, like I said before, if you can get hold of one, grab it. It's definitely worthwhile.
And the Tiger is one of those years that sort of has a little more of a broader appeal to, as opposed to if you were born in that particular year. The Tiger is one that does have a lot of appeal worldwide, as we found in the shop. A number of people are coming in just because they love the Tiger design. Now, these are really cool. This is something a little different. Oh yeah, they've done a good job here.
I like
It looks
it.
really good.
Yeah.
And they've got a nice layer of depth to the bamboo forest behind
Yeah,
them.
it becomes very three-dimensional, doesn't it?
Yeah. And with the antiqued coins, not that we ever encourage it, but it is not catastrophic to touch an
Yeah,
antique
that's
coin.
right.
The sort of idea of the finish is that occasionally I would encounter people back in my coin shop days that would complain that some, if they got a few of the coins, that they weren't all exactly consistent. But that is part of the finishing technique, is that you do get slight variations on the finish for each coin, which I think, goes towards making it a little more unique.
Yeah, I'd agree with that.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
That gets a tick. I really like that.
Yeah. All right, so out of the 4 coins we've just presented,
Yep.
which one's your tick for investment and which one's your tick for fun?
Well, this is a tick for investment.
Yeah,
I think
that
that goes without
It's
saying.
a bit of a no-brainer,
Oh,
that
yeah,
one,
a bit of a layer. John Wayne, I'll be honest.
Seriously?
No, as in, I was going to say I've never followed the guy's career, so I don't know. I'm sure there are plenty of people that it's very stirring for them to see.
Yeah, but for you, which one? Because you wouldn't grab the John Wayne, would you?
No, personally, and that's what I'm getting at. So it's purely my opinion, so I don't want to offend any of the John Wayne loyalists out there. I'm sure he's a great guy, never met him. But the 2-ounce antique Tiger is one that I really like. It sounds like such a hack saying, I would buy all of them, but I've bought these for my nieces and nephews, and I think that's a really great, if your family's expanding, I think that's a really nice keepsake. But this one for investment, this one for my collection is what I would do.
Yeah.
What about you?
No, I'd definitely go this one for investment. Like I said, that was a no-brainer. I'm actually torn between the two. I really like the 2-ounce. I like the antiques range they're doing.
Yeah. Yep.
So as far as collections go, I'd lean that way. But I actually think I think this way it's presented is really good.
Yeah.
And the history of John Wayne. And he wasn't just a cowboy. He did a lot of war films and that sort of stuff as well.
Okay.
You got to stop watching the newer stuff, get into some of the older stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I want to say that one, but I'm probably leaning towards that because it's more the set. And I also like the fact that the box, how
It all goes,
diorama sort of thing.
incredibly cool.
When you join all the boxes together, it produces a picture. So
I do think that's clever. Although, having said that, one of my earliest purchases was the Charlie Chaplin rectangular, the lenticular coin. So I do have a little bit of, depth to my film interest. I thought that was really cool because as you'd move it, he'd do his walk.
yeah.
So I do like that kind of thing, and that's why I say if you're into those films, I'm sure that'd be great for a gift for someone that's into that kind of thing.
It's actually absolutely gift worthy, that one. So yeah.
And if anyone's watching and you're a John Wayne fan, tell me which film I should check out. And I promise I'll watch one John Wayne film and get back to you.
Mate, they're all good. They're all good.
Yeah, we'll see.
We're gonna get you into Star Wars as well, but that's another story
I've
altogether.
got a lot to do.
All right, that's it for now. Again, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. And we'll talk again soon. See ya.
See ya.